Hello travelers. Welcome to ASY Tours Sri Lanka. The 2020 best countries to travel. Number 5, Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka has it all. A balmy tropical climate, dramatic sandy beaches backed by lush deep green forests that sway to the sound of bird song, high-altitude hilltop hideaways, a diverse array of wildlife and traditional working tea plantations. With cities and towns bursting with color, noise and life, Sri Lanka's proud heritage is well preserved and enjoyed by locals and visitors alike. Pretty villages and small towns sit sprawling along the coasts or hidden deep into the countryside, its varied landscape dotted with important holy sites, temples and ancient ruins waiting to be explored. Sri Lanka, this tiny island nation shaped like a droplet of water just below the Indian peninsula, has much to offer any passionate traveler. Don't let its size deceive you. Sri Lanka is a best country to travel in 2021. Number 4, Japan. Visit Japan to experience a land where cutting-edge modernity coexists with ancient tradition. Tokyo, Japan's capital city. Tokyo is one of the world's premier technology hubs. With a population of more than 13 million people, the urban center is a spectacular, shimmering neon-lit metropolis, with a raucous nightlife, delicious food and a vibrant art, theater and music scene. But Japan travel shouldn't end with Tokyo. The city of Kyoto is a cultural treasure, where one can watch geishas dance in traditional garb before stopping to reflect on the experience at a peaceful Zen rock garden. Number 3. Italy. Want to visit an addicting place? The place that may get you addicted with its beauty and attractions? Then you should consider visiting Italy. Italy is situated in southern Europe and is one of the major attractions for tourists from all over the world. Visitors love it for the aesthetic experiences they have while on the go, as it offers really enchanting landscapes, beaches, and places of historical importance. It has become an established fact that one life is not enough to explore and enjoy its entire beauty. Tour to Italy cannot be justified if you haven't been to Venice. Talking about Italy without Venice would be like food without taste. It is a city located in northern Italy and is one of the most unique places in the world due to the fact that the entire city is built on water. One must hire a water taxi called Vaporito or use their local elegant gondola to see the city. In short, Venice is one of those amazing places one must visit at least once in a lifetime because it is not a place. It's an experience to perceive the world in a different style. There are thousands of places in Italy which are really worth a visit since Italy offers its finest, beautiful architecture, delicious food, unspoiled beaches and welcoming local residents. Plan a trip and enjoy the beauty of Italy. Number 2, Peru. Peru is located in the west-central part of South America. It encompasses an area of 498,222 square miles and can be compared in size to Spain, France and former West Germany combined. In South America, only Brazil and Argentina are larger. Peru is the 19th largest country in the world. Peru is bordered to the north by Ecuador, to the south by Chile and Bolivia, to the east by Colombia and Brazil and to the west by the Pacific Ocean. Peru is a varied and diverse country due to the climatic, natural and cultural diversity of its regions. It is 1,554 miles long, and has 3 natural regions, coast, sierra and jungle. The climate of Peru varies widely, ranging from tropical in the Montana to Arctic in the highest mountains of the Andes. Average temperatures decrease about 1.7 Celsius degrees with every 450 meters increase in elevation. permanent snow and ice fields cover peaks more than 5,000 meters above sea level, and the highest elevation at which the land is suitable for agriculture is about 4,400 meters. Peru is one of the best countries to visit in 2021. Number 1, Switzerland. Switzerland is famous for its wonderful, snow-capped mountains and peace-loving people. The Alps and the Jura Mountains cover more than half of Switzerland. Because of so many mountains in the country, it provides with a variety of sports, with most popular skiing, snowboarding and mountaineering. There are about 1,000 museums are located in different regions of the country. Zurich is the main city of Switzerland. Other cities, like Bern and Geneva, have great museums housing great artists of the Dada movement. Switzerland is popular for watches, chocolates and pocket knives. Switzerland is also a home to many contributors to literature, art, architecture, music and sciences. Switzerland has unlimited scenery views, landscapes, and is the heaven on earth. One should feel refreshing and happy after watching Switzerland. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in another video. Until then, bye.